Are you tired of your dry, irritated, and itchy scalp, or do you have trouble with dandruff? Unfortunately, you're not alone. 1 in 5 adults are affected by scalp problems. We often forget that our scalp needs care and loving treatment, just like the rest of our skin. Dandruff, redness, dryness, and itching all indicate that something is wrong with your scalp. Fortunately, you can easily overcome these problems. Scalp products from Australian Bodycare are specifically designed for scalp care. The products are formulated with 100% natural tea tree oil, which counteracts the unwanted bacteria in your scalp while moisturizing your skin and strengthening your hair roots. Our scalp products consist of a scalp treatment, shampoo, and conditioner for daily care. How to use the products. Step 1. Scalp Cure. Our scalp treatment you can use 2 to 3 times a week until the scalp problems are resolved. It contains a unique combination of tea tree oil and macadamia nut oil to counteract bacteria and simultaneously provide a moist boost to the scalp. Step 2. To care for and prevent scalp problems, use our shampoo and conditioner every time you wash your hair. The shampoo can be used for all hair types. It deeply cleanses away dirt and bacteria, therefore working preventively against dandruff, irritated, and dry scalps. Step 3. After washing your hair with shampoo, you should use our conditioner, which leaves your scalp and hair shiny, soft, and well cared for. The conditioner can be used daily after washing your hair with shampoo, as it does not cause the hair to clump together with oil. All 3 products do not contain silicone and are 100% vegan.